a cat, and a fry. There you go. He lost the fry. Open the door. Okay. Another fry. Where is it? Where is it? Hey, get that fry if you don't eat it. Give me that fry. Hold on. You see that fry? You want that fry? Yes, you want that fry. Go get the fry. What happened to the fry? Did you get it? Did he get stuck behind? There it is. See the fry? See the fry? Come on. Come on, get the fry. Fry. You ran away with it. Where is it? Where's the fry? There's the fry. That's half the fry. What happened to the other? One fry. Half of it, anyways. See the fry? Go eat it. Get it. It's gonna get you. Every time I do that, he gets scared. You see the fry? You see the fry? Go get the fry. Let me see the fry. You see it? You see that fry? Yes, you do. See the fry? Go get it. He totally missed it. What the heck? The cat and his fry? Story, he ate it.